take it, and I ask the title cue.
Here. Stay. And
And the landing spot here.
okay. Hop. Yay!
Yeah, but did you hold the dog? Did you hold the dog?
I have to hold the dog.
Yes, I said hold the dog. Put the dog there.
Okay.
Put there.
あ、
No.
いけない。いけないよ。ステイ。ステイだよ。
Hold that.
ステイだよ。
Big.
Okay, and ask the title cue.
Which I don't have.
Yeah, but now we have to explain somehow. So start to use a cue.
Like what? Just give me one. I can't think of any.
I don't know.
Stayだよ。
That, and you have to push the dog a little bit this way. Okay, so don't let. Yeah, good. Okay. One time. No, it wasn't good. Not exactly the same what I said and what you did for the first two times. I said put the dog there and it was the toy. So don't say the cue first and then throw the toy. First throw the toy there and then ask the cue. And it was here, but we did this one. Okay, this one. Put the toy there. Yes. Okay, go back like that.
笑っちゃう。笑い声がいっぱい入っちゃう。
Yeah. Okay, now let's wait the opposite way. So from
This
here
side?
to that side, yes. Yes. Yes, but it's not exactly the same. Now because you were standing here with the dog and you were asking it. So the opposite would be you standing at exactly at the same place, but you are doing it from the left. But you were standing here. So come here, stay on the jump line.
Okay,
and
to me,
ask
you know
the
what
dog.
I think?
What?
In the movie, I think he can't really hear you. Right? So what do we do?
I thought that you will translate it. We can't do anything else, so what can we do? So let's do it.
What's mine?
But at least, so you can see.
Steak. Steak. Yay!
It has to go around the wheel. If you put it on here, it's not the same. Because you never learned how to jump, how to count the steps. Okay? So start from here. Same what he did. He was here when you started. Okay, it's
Oh, you know what? I think I will forget everything you say now. I forgot it.
But you should remember because that's what you should train with Tommy. So
I should, but you know what? I still have a work to do later, and I will be translating it to many other things,
yeah, but
right?
I'm trying to remember what it is.
Steak. Steak. Steak.
Yeah, good. One more time. Okay, once again. Okay, so let's see now the back side. Title back side. Put the toy here on the board and ask the time. Ask the back side view.
So I have to have another.
You have to have two back side view. A raptor and then and the last one.
Single in now. I just use the out.
Okay.
Front side. Okay. Tommy-chan, おしまい。おしまい。
もう鳴ってる？あと1分。はい。
Here, go.
No, because so understood. Put down the toy
Okay.
and ask them.
Out. Yay!
Yes, one more time.
もう一回いくよ。違うから。なんで。Stay. Out. Yay!
Good. Once again.
はい、いくよ。多分もう一回だよ。Stay. Out. やったー。
Once again.
はい、トミちゃんもう一回だよ。おしまいは。あ、これ。おしまい。トミちゃん。Stay.
And how you teach the aspect side cue, you put the toys there. So the same. Ask the backside cue, but the aspect side cue, and reward there. So the dog is there.
So, I throw the toy there or what?
No, you put there. Never.
My dog
You
will
place
say,
it. Place
フラップ5分にしておいてもらってる？
Stay. Out.
Yeah, good. One more time.
Hold on. Go. Stay. Out. Yay!
Once again.
はい。おしまい。Hold on. Wait. Out. Yay!
And let's see now in. So there is the dog number here. So stay on the jump line first. Ask the touch. And then stay in. And put the toy down.
Throw the toy.
It would be better if we place it before you do before you ask the hand touch.
Stay.
Yeah, but left hand. No. That's not. Try to stop it. Okay. One more time. もうね、今言った
In, Tommy, in.
No.
He doesn't know hands up.
I think it said.
He doesn't know.
Give me the toy.
I have to.
No. Stop.
Tommy.
So you have to stop him a little bit better. See, so when he's doing this, stop. Okay? Don't let him jump. Just stop. Okay, so just go there and ask the touch cue again without placing the toy now.
Mommy.
So I will just place it.
いる。Tommy-chan. Tommy. Stay.
Okay, just ask the touch. Nothing else.
In. Tommy-chan.
Okay, just ask the touch somewhere else. Don't go too close to the jump, just ask the touch.
Tommy, in. Tommy-chan, in. Tommy, in. Tommy, in. Good.
Yeah, anyone. Good. Okay,
Yay.
one time. Same.
はい。トミおいで。トミカム。そうだ。おいでよ。トミ、イン。トミ、イン。トミ、イン。トミ、イン。トミおいで。イン。トミおいで。イン。グッ。あ、いけない。
Yeah. Was it a real touch? No. it won't be perfect. I need
阿部
strong.
さん、今何時です
Okay,
か
so you need 3 points. This is
もうあ
the
と1
beginning
分
because you can
45
make
分
it
じゃあもうこの辺でなったら終わり
Okay,